Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora and this is the glam that I'm teaching today. I am here in Delhi at Hotel Andaz with Narcissist, that is NARS, everyone's beloved brand. So let's just begin with the makeup. I'm wearing these lenses by Swati Cosmetics in the shade Sandstone, and they look absolutely very natural. They blend with my skin tone perfectly. The hair is done by Gitanjali Salon. Huge shout out to Rohit from their team for doing the most fabulous hair. I asked him to do a vintage hairstyle, and now I'm using this Pro Color Correct and Conceal palette in the shade Medium Deep from MAC. You can see I'm just highlighting and I'm just giving him this partition for the hair so that rest job he can do, and I'm explaining him the exact hairstyle that I want here, so you will be able to see the end result. And now that everything is done, I'm back to concealing my eyes, setting it up with my Charlotte Tilbury medium powder, compact actually. This looks absolutely beautiful. Now I've changed my outfit and now getting to the eyes, just using a very nice brown from my Tarte palette. It's a beautiful natural brown to define my crease, and I'm keeping this as the base itself, just blending it out further, not using any other shade. Now what I'm going to do is just adding a pop of color on under the eyebrow area. So just using my primer from Smashbox. Look at it, it's very shiny. It's the illuminating primer, that's why you see the shine on my face. Applying the Estee Lauder concealer in the shade Warm Natural. It's just to conceal my under eye area. Now I'm just cleaning up the bits of the face using my concealer on the mouth area as well. It looks so much better with this one. Using my fixing spray to set it up, and then using my Clinique foundation all over my face. I think the base looks absolutely flawless. Finishing it up with a highlighter from Huda Beauty itself. It's beautiful and I think it looks fabulous. I love how it's covered up my skin. Using Pound Cake by Huda Beauty to set the under eyes and the face area. The blush is also by Huda Beauty. It's a beautiful color and you can see the makeup is coming together. I'm just fixing, adding a little highlight on the inner corner, doing the final touches. Now it's time to finally fill my brows. They look so bushy and nice, which is how I like it. Using Huda Beauty's lip liner as well in the shade Rich Brown, highlighting my collarbone, jawline, everything else. It looks stunning. It's time to clean up the makeup. I've just added a liner. This one is from Makeup Forever. It's the jet black or black ink liner. It looks so good. Finishing it up with a colossal Maybelline liner to get that final finishing black. The mascara is by Bobbi Brown. Well, I love the makeup look. Using my Urban Decay setting spray. Everything else is perfect. The hair is finally about to finish. Adding a little highlighter and stuff. This is how the hair is coming out to be. These are some fabulous waves that we've done, put in place, and trust me, the waves did not budge for good 8-9 hours. And finally it's time for the event. I have used Narcissus red lip crayon in the shade Cruella. Of course the finishing touch had to be NARS, and this is a glimpse of the event. We are celebrating 30 years of Narcissus and I think I love the setup. Thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. Heading back to Chandigarh on my flight. See you guys soon. Bye. Subscribe. Please like, share, comment as well. Long form videos take time.